Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? I have three news, my friends, especially for all of you. The one is bad news, the two is good news is now. So first of all, I want to tell you, my friend, the bad news, and after that, my friend, I will give you a good news is now. So the bad news is that, my brother, so as you can see here, from last 7 days, this coin is completely falls down, but just in only in last 1 hour, they will take a very good profit now. So it's mean, my brothers, too, the coin is starting moving upward now. Let's see, my brother, but kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So my brother, come to the point. This time Stellar XLM, one of the fastest coin, and but definitely, my friend, in the last 7 days this coin is fell down. So therefore, be remember, my brothers, to after a fail, every cryptocurrency will take a very huge jump now. So therefore, I know to upcoming time they will go in the moon now, and they will give you a very good profit now. Let's see, my brother. If I predicate this coin exactly, you understand better now. To really can there is a chance so they will move upward or not, my brother. So first of all, if I predicate this coin, you better understand. So let's see, my brother. This time, as you can see, my brother, this time the coin is completely falls down, and absolutely at the last point, as you can see, my friend, they both lines touch, my friend, sometime, but again they falls down. So therefore, remember, my brothers, to after a fail, every cryptocurrency will take a very huge jump now. So therefore, I know to upcoming time they will give you a very good profit now. Let's see, but kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.